Are you going in the playhouse? I see you! Blocks. You gonna make a tower?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of dirty, huh?
Yeah.
That's what happens when they're outside. Things get dirty. Good job. That cleaned them up, didn't it? Nice job.
Cup. Cup.
And putting the cup on the shelf? Good job. Peekaboo!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Are you in the house?
Kada.
Closing the doors?
Yeah.
Open the doors.
Kada. Kada.
Close the doors. Open the doors.
Kada.
Do you want help?
Help.
Think if you use this right here. Hold it right here. This little part.
Help.
There, you got it. Move this hand.